Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this interactive animated tabs in PowerPoint. You can click on one of them and then these tabs come downwards. And the really interesting thing about these tabs is that you don't have to go linearly and you can send your tabs downwards and upwards as well. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. Go to format background and give the background a dark color. So I'll use this one. Now close the format background and next thing you're going to do is go to shapes and insert the shape called document, flowchart document. We're gonna increase its width and go to format shape, go to shadow and give it this second shadow, increase the size to 102% and increase the blur as well. Close the format shape panel. Next we're gonna go to format shape panel as well. We're gonna give two color gradient to our shape. So the color palette I'm using is a shades palette. You can get this palette from mycolorspace.com and that is a really nice color palettes website where you can get different color palettes. So next we're going to duplicate it into four shapes and we're going to give each one of them a different shade. So I'm going to start from lighter to darker shade and let's group everything and put them into the middle. Now ungroup them. Next what we're going to do is change the background's color if we want, but this color is nice so I'll just use them. Now instead of rounded corner rectangle, the same width as the upper shapes, we're gonna remove its outline and give it a fill of white color. And next we're gonna give it a shadow of outline. Next we're gonna send it to the back and we're gonna insert our content text onto this shape. So I'll just use lorem ipsum dollar set Ahmed text right now for the custom holder placeholder for my real text. So you can use your own text that describe what is inside each of the tab, what the content is all about. So I'll just align it to the left side. Next we're gonna insert a text box for the title right on top of our content text. We're gonna change its text options. From text options we can either give it a gradient of these colors or we can either give it a solid fill, but as you can see I prefer more a gradient fill because that makes your title look more realistic and unique. Next we're gonna go to insert tab and from here we're gonna insert four icons. Right now, first of all, insert one single icon because I want to prepare the first tab and then we're gonna just paste it onto the next tabs as well. So we'll just reuse the shape. Next we're gonna customize our icon if we want, like giving it a shadow from shadows option or anything else. Select the shadow like the icon and we're gonna put it into the middle and we're gonna select the text box icons and the tab and then send it to the back and group it. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and we're gonna duplicate it again and send it to the back. Put each of them on each of the shapes. We're gonna be sure to put them into the middle and next we're gonna select the icons on each of them and we're gonna go to picture format and replace picture, and from there you can replace your icon and the icon will remain the same size as the previous icon. Next we're gonna insert our titles for each of the tab. We're gonna use Arial Black font for this one because bold font looks more better for the title. Next we're gonna duplicate it and place it on top of each of the tab. And I'll customize our title as well. By the way, let me tell you again that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And I have provided the color palette along with the main template. The color palette is in the template as well. Next, what you have to do is just go to search for selection pane and from here you're gonna change each of the name of each of the shape so that we can easily use them while giving them animations. And this is a really nice step It makes it really easier to follow up along in the next templates. Now let me just decrease them, and let's just close them, and we're gonna change the other text as well. So here goes our topic number one, topic number two, topic number three, and topic number four. Next, what we're gonna do is select all of these white tabs, go to animations and give them flying animation. Go to effect options and give them the effect from top. Next, what you're gonna do is go to shapes and insert a rectangle right on top of the shape. And we're gonna remove its outline, give it the same fill as the background's color, so that when the animation of flying occurs, we can see the tabs coming from upwards, and we can think that they are just coming from that position. So what we're gonna do is give them the duration of 1 of 50. We're gonna click on start with click. So this is how it looks right now. Next, we're gonna select each one of them, go to trigger option and connect them with each of the topic. So this is where our renamed step works. So next, what we're gonna do is just preview them. So as you can see, we can just go to slideshow, and from here we can select on while clicking on each of the shape, we can get our tabs to be flat down. Select all of these tabs again, go to add animation and click on exit animation and click on flying animation. But you're gonna give it from bottom, click on click, and next we're gonna go to animations panel. From here we're gonna put each one of them just below their topic animation, trigger animation. So that's all you had to do, and this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and content like these.